This is the Douglas AD-1 Skyraider. Listen to the sound of this engine. From the Erickson approach from the left. Through the Korean War and in the Vietnam War, this is the AD-1 Skyraider. I should say the AD-4 Skyraider. And the Bearcat, as we see here, 2,300 horsepower, a Pratt & Whitney R2800 with a big propeller on it. Flying the aircraft today, Mike Oliver, in the Top Gun Maverick. All right. There's also a movie called Devotion. Was featured in the movie Devotion that will be coming out in the Bearcat we see. Jesse Brown was told in that movie. We have an opportunity to tell you more about that. The Skyraider, directly in front of us and turning right, distinguished itself in the first jet war. In terms of the punishment it could take, in terms of the ability that it had to stay on station, and it earned its reputation. The Bearcat that we see here found its way to fame after World War II. Because after the United States Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron, the Blue Angels was formed in Jacksonville, Florida, transitioned to the F8F-Oregon. This AD-4W Skyraider built by the Bearcat with a top speed of over 425 miles per hour. There were a number of different versions built. This is a single-seat version with a special intelligence gathering pod. Around a central propeller shaft, and the power strokes from each cylinder is driven directly onto the propeller shaft, turning the prop. Now when you left, as the Blue Angel called it, the faster you maximum speed of 310 miles per hour, but with its capabilities, it could stay on station to retrieve a down. The pilot's compartment in that thing is very, very tight. It was also a mix of the development of jet aircraft and the speed and the power that they can develop. And here's one from Erickson.